Okay, good morning everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. What we happen to have here is one of our 67 Chevy Chevelle LS engines. This is a 700 horsepower model. Well, we got about 45 degrees and it's still made about 690 horsepower. Again, everything is built in-house, one at a time. This one features a Concept 1 pulley system, beautiful system. We got a nice polished intake manifold, a Sniper EFI system on here. This one, the coil packs are mounted on top. As you tell, a lot of our engines, we could custom paint them. We could put valve covers on that hide the coil packs. We could do different style intake manifolds, different style pulley kits. Again, we build it the way you want it to look for your ride. You tell us what you want, we build them. Hey, you know what I was thinking last night? I haven't built an old 350 or 455 Buick in a long time. Anybody interested in building one? Give Steve a call. I wouldn't mind taking that project on again either. Peace. All right, yesteryears, I got your LS 441 on the dyno, going into that 67 Chevy Chevelle. I'd like to thank you for your business. I'm gonna fire it up, give you a run demo.